When your Joy-Con isn't detected or keeps disconnecting in handheld mode, it can totally mess up your gaming experience. So this time, I'm going to show you some quick ways to fix Joy-Con detection and connection issues on your Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. Fix 1. Clean the Joy-Con rails. First, turn off your Switch completely. Remove your Joy-Cons. Now take a look at the rails on both the Joy-Con and the side of your Switch. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to gently clean these rails. If there's dust or grime buildup, it can affect how the Joy-Con connects. You can also use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Just don't soak it. Clean along the metal contacts carefully, then let it dry for a few minutes before reattaching. Fix 2. Detach and reattach your Joy-Cons. Behind your Nintendo Switch, press the release button on the back of each Joy-Con. Slide them up to remove. Then locate the tiny round sync button on the side of each Joy-Con. Press and hold it until the lights flash. Do this for both the Joy-Cons. Now reattach them back to your Switch. Make sure you hear a click. That means it's properly connected. If it doesn't click, remove it and try again gently but firmly. Then check the screen to see if the controller is now detected. Fix 3. Reset controller connection. From the home screen, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Select Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen steps to unpair them. Then repair your Joy-Cons by attaching them to the Switch or using the Sync button. Fix 4. Update controller firmware. From the home menu, go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, choose Update Controllers. This updates the internal software of your Joy-Cons and might fix controller connection problems caused by bugs. Wait for the process to finish, then try reconnecting your Joy-Con in handheld mode. Fix 5. Power cycle your console. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 5 seconds. Then choose Power Options and tap Restart. A full restart can help the system redetect hardware like your Joy-Cons correctly. Once your Switch reboots, try sliding the Joy-Cons back in again. Hopefully with this, your problem will be fixed. But if the Joy-Con still isn't working in handheld mode, it's likely a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to contact Nintendo support or visit an authorized repair center. In any case, if this video helped you out, then go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Nintendo Switch fixes just like this. Thanks for watching.